So, hello guys, welcome to another YouTube section on how I was able to trade the CHF, JPY, Swiss francs, Japanese yen, and how I was able to profit $1,250 from the market using one ratio 1.5 from the trade. Now, I'm going to analyze how I was able to catch these tips and the psychology behind it, what were my confirmation in the market, and what I saw and I was confident in before I took the trade on this particular pair. So currently, I was risking 1% of my account size, which is roughly $250 to make the equivalent of 1:5, 1:2, and 1:3 in the market. So I was able to secure 1:5 in the market by targeting what my take profit from the market. Now, in this particular chart, I'm going to analyze, break down the chart, how I was able to find my entry before I executed the trade, and I was confident in the trade, and that resulted to me making such an amount of money from the market. So I will start by going from the weekly time frame, breaking it down to see how I was able to execute this trade. Now, like I normally say before, when I start trading in the market, first of all, I spot my structures, my structures in the market, identify what if it's an uptrend, downtrend, or in a demand zone. So from the chart on Swiss franc JPY, I was able to spot out that at this place we have a weekly what support, which assumes what a demand what level in the market. So I marked it out. I said, okay, what again? We are what experiencing what they call what a downtrend movement. So I said, okay, I marked out what my trend line downward to this very point. So what did I did next? I went to what the daily time frame because for me to trade this particular pair, I had to what go from the weekly time frame downward to the 15-minute time frame to find what entry in the market. So that was what I did essentially for me to execute this trade. So I decided to start pointing out. I go from the what weekly time frame down to the daily time frame, the 4 hour time frame, 3 hours, 2 hours, 1 hour, 30 minutes, and 15 minutes time frame to spot what entry in the market. Once I decide that this is an uptrend market, what I'm supposed to be looking at is what an indication, a chart pattern or what a candlestick pattern that would indicate what for me what to either buy or to sell in the market. So I'll continue to break down this chart. So I decided to what draw my what trend line from here, from the highs downwards to the low of what the trend line, which is what downward trend line. So I went to what the 4 hour time frame to look at what the possible what zone that will enable me to spot out what a high probability setup towards traders market. So at 4 hour time frame, I was able to spot out what a kind of what a pattern that gave me what a support level that ran through the period of what the period of June or the period of January 23rd down to what to this point in time, Tuesday, January 23rd. So that was actually a period that I was looking at to say, what is the market trying to tell me? The market is trying to tell me that sellers continue what eating at this point all the time, creating what a form of demand what level, a form of demand level, indicating that there is possibility that this market is going to go up. So I said, all right, fine and good. Let me what spot out a pattern that will enable me to trade this market. So I decided to go down to the 1 hour time frame. The 1 hour time frame gave me all I needed to trade this market. It gave me patterns. It gave me chart pattern that enabled me to trade this market. First of all, I was able to spot out a form of what double bottom. I was able to spot out double bottom I was able to spot a double bottom from this particular trade. Sellers push down the market, push down the trade, the chart, the candlestick chart down to this point in time, creating what? The form of what? Demand level. It went up, came down again, touched this very point in time, creating a particular chart pattern called double bottom. It gave me double bottom in the market. That was one of the first confirmation I had. Then second confirmation, I was looking at what a candlestick formation in the market. And this is another what confirmation in the market that said, okay, this is the right time to what indicate what a buy trade. It has already given you what a bullish engulfing pattern on the 1 hour time frame. So from the charts, candlestick chart formation, they gave me bullish engulfing, which is an indication that the market is about to go high, is about to buy. Buyers are what in the market, the strength of buyers are what high compared to the strength of the sellers in the market. So it gave me clarity that this market is going to go to the upside. So what did I do? I said, what is another confirmation? It gave me another confirmation of the demand levels within this zone. So it gave me right confirmation. I said, now this is the right time to what? Buy. To buy in the market. All I had to do was to spot out what my entry zone. So I waited for the market to give me a form of retracement, 50% of what the retracement. I now input what they call what a pending order of buy, which is a pending order of buy limit. So I marked out my buy limit, placed my stop loss, and then executed the trade. So when the market retraced, though I had a drawdown, but I already made up my mind that I'm going to lose 1% of my account size. That was my risk. I'm taking 1% risk of my account. So I already marked it out that this is the amount I'm going to risk in the market. So when it touched my entry zone, it triggered what my buy what limit. And then I had a little bit of drawdown as of $150 drawdown. I was not panicking. I already set my mind, my psychology in that that's what I'm going to do in case the market goes against me because this is what the probability was trading. There's high probability in trading. So it's always important that you have an edge over the market while trading. So I decided to what execute the trade. So I left the trade, I went out, do my stuff, chat with friends, talk on the phone, do other peripheral things that I want to do. I didn't overspend a lot of time in the chat, like over stressing myself, watching the chart, if it's going to go up, it's going to go down, panicking and stuff like that. No, I decided to what leave the trade. I already executed my trade. If it goes in my direction, fine. If it goes against me, fine. I come back to learn lessons from it. That is what the principle of what trading when it comes to psychology. You already mapped out your if you enjoy these few analysis that I just did, breaking down how I was able to take the entry and how I was able to make profit from this trade, please click on the like button, subscribe so that you have more videos that we are going to be publishing from time to time, showing you how we're able to trade this market and